Gals, Brad here for Layton Sports Cards, ripping a 19 Bowman Sterling baseball for Chris A. Good luck, Chris. Let's see what you got. Eloy base auto, Brock Deathridge. Nice Deathridge base auto. Base. Refractor, Kyle Wright to 199. Auto, Nico Horner. Base auto. Go Sparkle, Heath Fillmeyer to 99. And gold auto to 50, Akil Baddoo. Nice gold auto for you. Base auto, Grayson Rodriguez. Pete Alonso, rookie. Got a gold to 50, Williams Astudio. And wave auto to 125, Logan Gilbert. Nice Gilbert. Congrats on that. There you go, Chris. Get that right out to you, man. Does it for your bucks. Thanks for the purchase.